if you are a foodie or you hate food, you're definitely going to want to hear this. Why does food taste more bland as we age? If you've ever gotten a cold, you'll realize that a blocked nose means you can't taste what you eat. And if you can't taste the food you eat in the first place, that's what happens to most adults as they age. They lose their ability to smell and also lose some of their taste buds. This study from the National Institute of Aging suggests that the number of taste buds that you have decreases after your 60s. In fact, your salivary glands also produce less saliva, leading to a drier mouth, which leads to a decreased taste. So with your sense of smell declining and your taste buds dropping, there is no wonder why old adults have a decreased desire to eat. But why is that important? If you have a decreased desire to eat, then you are more likely to become malnourished. And as an older adult, malnourishment can affect you far worse than it did when you were in your 20s or 30s. And I am not even going to get into the problems of overeating, especially as an older adult, regardless of whether you are malnourished or not. But here's something amazing yet obvious. Being physically active makes you desire food more, and it also helps you enhance taste sensitivity, at least for a lot of people. But how is that? Firstly, an increase in your physical activity automatically makes you crave food, whether you can or cannot taste it. Secondly, being physically active makes you less at risk for obesity, which is directly related to how well you can taste food. In fact, the more obese you are, the worse your taste is, even in your younger years. And you don't need to age to know that. So remember, the older you grow, the more you need to train your senses, but the less you need to trust them. Rely on data that you can collect by doing certain tests like blood tests.